On April 15, 2025, during a late-night patrol, a Mountain Home, Arkansas police officer spots a vehicle moving so fast, it immediately draws attention. As the officer turns to catch up, the vehicle suddenly disappears from view. When the officer reaches a crash scene, the vehicle is wrecked, but the driver is gone. What began as a speeding violation would quickly turn into a search, as officers are left piecing together whether the driver was injured and how they vanished in seconds. This is how it went down.
Jesus. 99 on 5 North. They're going into town. Yeah, they're still going towards North Junction. A black SUV, 13 feet. I just met one coming into town on 5 North. They are southbound at 100. Dark colored SUV, nobody. I don't know which way they went. Wrecked out. Here by North Junction, it's on its side. Notify medical and EMS and fire.
North Junction.
10-4. I've got somebody on foot in the area. It's empty.
You see anything by chance?
Saw it going 100 miles an hour coming into town.
You peek inside, see any blood or anything, see what we're working with?
I didn't see anything. I'm going to put the drone up.
Were you the driver?
No.
Okay, I need you to go.
Blonde chick,
Blonde chick?
long hair, carrying a tennis racket, barefooted, running way down there. Fresh
Okay.
Street.
Okay. She said she's running barefoot, running that way.
Copy that. I'm going to get this thing in the air.
PD, who's that tag? Come back to.
Is it going to be a silver RAV4? Carissa E.
Okay. That'll be it.
There's rescue.
Nobody's in it. It's empty.
Just the only one?
Yep.
I got her shoe right here. She's got a flip-flop in the grass.
She's got to be somewhere around here.
PD, next code 11 on the rotation, please. No, I was going up 5 North, and they were coming into town southbound. I clocked them at 100. I turned around on it, and this is where I found it. I'm just glad that I didn't find somebody just laying out getting ejected. So.
Did she take off on you guys?
She was already out and gone by the time I got here.
Ashley, what was that description again?
Blonde hair, barefoot. She's carrying a tennis racket. Her shoe is up here. She's got only one flip-flop.
Tennis racket. Oh, I'm not worried about it with the tennis racket.
Oh gosh, there's a slope on in there, but it's reachable. It's laying right in there.
You want to grab it for me?
Yeah.
Younger or older lady?
I don't know.
Oh.
Yeah, I don't know. All I know is blonde-haired and barefoot right now.
From what I saw when I turned down here, it looked nasty.
Yeah.
How'd she get out?
She climbed out the top, I guess.
It was on its passenger side, right?
Yeah, it's on its passenger side.
She climbed out the top. She's got to be hurt.
That's why I walked this whole strip to see. I found her shoe, and I don't see a single blood spot on any
What's
pavement. But I also don't see any foot tracks in the dew.
Making the rookie do the work, huh?
Yeah.
Medical ID. You know you can do that on iPhone?
No, I did not. How do you do that?
Whenever you go to
On
swipe up,
anybody's that is locked,
yeah,
still get their info?
you have to have it put in there.
Okay.
So you can swipe up, and when it asks for the code, it'll say emergency on that side. You hit emergency,
Yeah.
and then you can hit medical ID.
Okay. There you go.
I've got the phone, and it's got emergency information in it. 33 years old. Shows to be 5'5", 132 pounds. And PD, would you mind calling that number? I'm talking to Mr. Murphy and asking if something happened to where his wife was driving that way. Hi, buddy.
Well, I woke up for this.
Yeah, well, they were doing 100 miles an hour on 5. I turned around on them. They didn't make the corner by the time I got turned around and found it.
We're good. So we come around the corner too hot.
Yep.
Took out the damn sign.
Mm-hmm.
I was looking for a drop of blood or anything.
Yeah, I know.
And that's what I was
I
looking
didn't
for.
see any blood in the car, so that's why, damn.
There's nothing.
She's got a history of a stroke on her medical ID on her phone. Could it be a medical thing? You like a teacher or something?
I don't
She looks
know, but
familiar.
hey. Hey, you say she's married,
Mm-hmm.
so she's looking to get out. She called the Gamma House. And this is a list of her meds because you have to turn your meds in when you go there.
But maybe she was right away from him.
I don't know. It strikes me as she just left, but this was in the back seat. So I wonder if she's running back to the Gamma House.
She may be staying at the Airbnb there because he's there at it.
If he is, I'll go meet him.
Yeah, if you want to. Maybe just hang out there. Yeah, my old Ford Explorer just wasn't going to be able to.
Well, I heard you say 99, and I was like, oh my god.
Yeah.
Yeah. So tell me, you know her how?
She's my girlfriend.
Girlfriend? Okay.
Yeah. Husband and the kids who she's going through a divorce with are staying in the house in Jordan.
Mm-hmm.
But I got an emergency text from her phone saying that she had been in a crash or something. And so I came here looking for her. Her car's not there. And so I started driving out. She got into a little accident last night in the middle of the night that I didn't find out about until 8 or 9 this morning. She was emotional and she said that she drove off and hit a sign.
We had an officer sitting working traffic by the hospital, and he clocked her over 100 coming into town. And by the time she got to the intersection here up at the four-way, she took that curve at over 100 and rolled multiple times. She climbed out the sunroof, which was shattered, and took off running down First Street barefoot, carrying a tennis racket. She's gone.
So you guys should know, she's had some sort of mental lapse. I don't know what's going on, and I don't know what it is. I'm trying to get her to talk to somebody and see a professional. She hasn't done any of that. She seems to be getting a little better, but the last few days, this stuff is just getting. So she plays tennis, and she plays tennis at Legacy, and maybe she's trying to make her way there. I'll probably go search there first. Yeah.
Yeah, and if you see anything, just let us know.
I will. Yeah.
And we'll just go from there.
Right.
And then our dispatch has your phone number, so if we
Yes.
do find her, we'll get in contact with you, okay?
Thank you.
Yep.
About an hour and a half after the incident, Officer Penny spots a female carrying a tennis racket.
Katie, I'm out with her here at Redbud and Locust. Hey, are you all right? Hey, can you put that tennis racket down for me? Can you put the tennis racket down for me so I can talk to you? You all right? What's going on?
Yes, sir. I was just not feeling it.
Okay, what are you feeling? Are you sick or?
No, I think I'm running on adrenaline. I was just walking.
Okay. Do you live around here
No, sir.
or? Okay. 27, as soon as you get here, we'll go 15.
97.
Where do you live at?
I don't have a home.
You don't have a home?
Kind of. Me and my husband are going through a divorce.
Oh, okay. Just been having some issues with that?
Yeah.
Okay. But you don't know where you're staying or anything, or?
An Airbnb.
An Airbnb?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Were you in an accident or something earlier?
I believe I was.
Okay. So, real quick, here's what we're going to do, okay? You're not in trouble or anything. I just need to put your hands behind your back, okay? So we can talk about some stuff.
Okay.
Can you do that for me?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Do you feel okay?
Yes.
You do? What's your name again?
Horrific Eaton.
Hi. I don't want to pinch you here. I'm trying to be easy with you.
Carissa, what's going on tonight?
I don't know. I'm running off of adrenaline.
Okay. Is there any reason you got so much adrenaline going on?
You play tennis?
Yeah, so I was coming down 62 checking gas station. I was like, well, let's go check up this way. As soon as I turn this way, I see her on the front porch. And I drive by and she's got a tennis racket on this front porch here. Right here.
Do you know where you're at?
Am I under arrest?
You're not under arrest at this time, but I am concerned about your safety. So I just want to make sure everything's okay.
Okay.
And then we'll go from there, okay?
You want medical to come check you out? You want to talk to some EMTs?
Well, that would make sense. Wouldn't it?
It would. All right, I'm just going to advise you of your rights because I'm going to ask you some questions, okay?
Yes, sir.
You could decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. You understand everything I read to you?
I believe so.
Yes or no?
I don't know if I'll recall it.
Okay. Is there any reason you wouldn't recall it?
I've had a stroke.
Okay.
This is actually my 2-year anniversary.
I saw so I've got your phone, and I was looking because you have your medical stuff in there, which is an awesome feature on your iPhone because somebody finds your phone, at least they know some more information about you. You take any medications or anything? Are you supposed to take any medications?
I'm sorry. I'll reserve that for the lawyers.
Okay. Is there any reason you want medical to look at you tonight? Are you hurting somewhere?
Sorry.
You're going 100 miles an hour. I'm glad you didn't hurt anybody else besides yourself. So you're going to have some charges from Mountain Home Police Department. Probably one of them is going to be a felony at least for felony fleeing. You understand that? And then, of course, the accident and some other things. So, but I want you to get looked at first because that's the most important thing is your health. All right? We'll see what they say. If you need to go with them, you can go with them. Okay? And they're on their way here.
Make sure she's okay.
And she didn't have her seatbelt on because it was locked all the way in the retracted position. So you're hurting on your left side?
My left shoulder.
Do you remember what happened? Like, do you know why we're here? Okay.
You weren't trying to get away from somebody that was trying to hurt you or anything? Okay. I don't know how she managed to do it, but she took out the sign that's right there in front of the place that sells fireplaces. Went between the power pole and the support wire for the power pole. I mean,
It could have definitely been a lot worse, that's for sure.
yeah, no kidding. Yeah, I don't know how it gets any better than a description like that. And you find a person with a tennis racket.
No detective, but
Yes.
Hey, Carlton, will you have Maggie call that guy back and just let him know that we have her? Are you okay to walk down here to the ambulance? Carissa? Carissa, can you hear me? Carissa, the ambulance is here. Miss Eaton, the ambulance is here. Hey.
Hey, you okay, Miss Eaton? Can you talk to us? Miss Eaton? Hey, can you walk? Hey, guys. Hey. This female was in a wreck about
Hour ago.
almost 2 hours ago now.
Okay.
And this is where we found her. I just wanted her checked out. She didn't have a seatbelt on in the wreck, and it was a...
She has requested an
Roll
ambulance
over.
to check her out, but she's not responding now, so I don't...
What's your name?
Carissa, we're gonna walk, okay? We're gonna walk.
Like right over here.
Nope. You're gonna get up and walk. You can walk.
Watch her dragging her feet on across those rocks, guys.
so she's feeling something because she's picking her feet up off the gravel.
You noticed that too, huh?
Yep.
I usually moan.
Vitals are perfect. So as far as I'm concerned, she's clear to go with you home.
Okay.
She's got some abrasions at the top of her feet.
Yeah. You guys ready?
Yep. Asphalt there.
Oh, yeah. Dropped off right there. Full.
444 P2B, 15-1 female, 19 to the jail.
Howdy.
right this way with these two fellers. She has been cleared by Baxter Health.
Carissa Eaton was arrested and charged with reckless driving, fleeing vehicle or conveyance, fleeing on foot, and leaving the scene of an accident involving property damage. Her bond was set at $5,000. If you enjoyed this video and would like more content, give us a like, feel free to comment, and subscribe for justice.